Alright guys, hey, Rob here, ScrappyDew.com, and in this video just want to give you guys all a Scrap Factory update on what we've sort of been doing. And if you're new to Scrap Factory, this video here is for you as well. So if you guys all know, ScrappyDew is a paper piecing type of online website. And a couple years ago we came out with a thing called Scrap Factory, and that's where we took a baby base, like a child base here, a body base, and we give you the same body base and let you choose the hairstyle, let you choose the outfit, and again, the hair and the outfit will fit that same body. So you can change the hair up by maybe making it a girl, making it a brownie, right, or a Girl Scout. So lots of neat things that you can do with this. You can even make it a princess, right? So you can swap out hair, swap out outfits. You pick the patterns, and some of the things that you can create are things like this. You got a doctor, a fairy. I mean, lots of things that you can actually do with this. So, anyways, for the longest time, it has always been, it's always been, a desktop version. And so let me go ahead and pull that up. So you choose the expansion pack that you're looking for, and again, this did not come standard with the desktop version. You just got the basic set, and then you'd have to get these little expansion packs later. But anyways, you choose the body, you choose the hairstyle, and then you choose the outfit, and then you go ahead and generate the SVG file so that you can go ahead now and cut this. Right, and the dress is going to fit the body and everything, so it works out perfect. But for the longest time, I've always wanted to have an online version of this. Reason being is it's so much easier for fixing bugs. If I fix a bug on it and someone visits the website, hey, they got the most current copy of it, because a lot of times we'll have updates for the Scrap Factory desktop version, and people say they found a bug, and guess what? That bug was finished, done with a long time ago, and they just didn't update. So again, I always wanted to do an online version. So anyways, I worked on one for the past month, and I think I have it up in running order. Obviously, there's going to be a few more things that I'm going to be adding to this, but as far as features go and stuff. But take a look at this, check it out, run over to the website, and this is where you're going to sign up for it and everything. You're going to choose your email address, a password. You're going to get an access code from this. So you click on Get Access Code. It will take you to a checkout page, and then it will generate you an access code, and then you'll be able to log in and stuff. All right. So once you finish that, you'll be able to sign in, sign up, and then if you're coming back, you just click on the login and click on login. Then it's time to start building. So one of the neat things that we did with this is the fact that you can now do saved files. You can save some things. But anyways, let's just follow the instructions. Choose the body, choose the hair, the outfit, and then click the preview, and then save the SVG file. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to choose the body. We're going to choose a hairstyle. We'll go down to this right here, Michelle, and then we'll also choose maybe a fairy, right? So we have that all set up, and then I'm just going to name this something here. I'll just call it Fairy Girl 1. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Save New. And what that will do is it will now have a user history of this. And like I said, if we were to follow this, it says click on the preview and then save SVG file. So we can click on the layout preview. That's what's going to look like all spread out. Obviously, it's going to be a lot, there's going to be more stuff with this. But you click on the download button, and you go ahead and download the SVG file. Now you can bring this into your favorite cutting device, right? So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. This is mobile friendly as well. So if you're at a doctor's office, at a grocery store, you're in line waiting for something, you can create whatever doll you wish. Make sure you save it. and then you can always load it up a little later. So you can see I can click on the load button, and it totally loaded up with a new set here. Same thing, Thanksgiving Girl. Then we have cheerleader. So that's what's new with Scrap Factory Online. We do have it set up that you can choose the various expansion packs, and we have them all loaded here. So as of right now, it's just a one-time purchase setup, and then you'll have access to all of these here online. Let's see, other things that will, like I said, that I plan on doing here in the future is down here more filter preferences, boy versus girl. Once we have more people trying this stuff out, maybe, hey, these are the top 5 outfits that someone has chosen. Sort of gives you visibility on some things that you may not have known that was there, because there are tons of outfits. I think it might be around 400 outfits, 300 hairstyles. I don't know. I don't know the true numbers, but it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, guys. But anyways, yeah, that's what we're working on. As of right now, like I said, we're sort of in the testing phase of it. Love to have you guys try it out. And as of right now, and again, I'll update the description when we are stopping this, which is if you are going to go with the online version and you don't have Scrap Factory, the desktop version, we are going to go ahead and throw in the desktop version there for you. So that way you at least have something that that works up and running and stuff. But anyways, like I said, we'll update that description once we are rolling out with the final phases and stuff of this. But yeah, if you guys want to take a look at this, feel free. And again, I'm Rob with ScrappyDew.com. Thanks for watching.